How do doctors view internal microscopic structures in modern minimally invasive surgery? The answer is the thin stainless steel medical endoscope. Bond the lens lining and inner tube. This is the first assembly step. Bond the thin stainless steel inner tube to the lens lining. Then, bond inner tube to main body. Next, fit the rear protective barrel. This tail connects the light source and is often operated. Install the rear protective barrel. Optical pad assembly. Lenses alternate with copper rings. Finally, assemble the eyepiece base.